In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add borders to any section in Shopify. We'll walk through this step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to customize the look of your sections with clean, professional borders, all using just a little bit of CSS inside the theme editor. First, log into your Shopify admin account. This is your main dashboard where you manage products, orders, and of course, your online store's appearance. Once you're in the admin, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Find and click on Online Store, and then click on Themes underneath it. This will open the page where all of your themes are listed. On this page, locate the theme that's currently live on your store. Next to that theme, click on the option to edit the theme. This will open the Shopify Online Store editor, where you can see a live preview of your site on the right and a settings panel on the left. Now, in the preview, click on the specific section where you want to add a border. This could be a featured collection, an image banner, a text block, or any other section you'd like to highlight. When you click it, the left-hand panel will update to show the settings for that exact section. In that left panel, scroll down until you find an option called Custom CSS. Click on it, and a text box will appear. This is where you're going to paste the CSS code that creates the border. At this point, you may want to pause the video so you can clearly see the code being used and copy it accurately into the text box. As soon as you paste the code, look at the preview on the right side. You should now see a border appear around the section you selected. If you don't see it right away, make sure you've clicked inside the correct section and that the code is pasted without any missing characters. You'll notice that in the code, there are numbers followed by px. These control the thickness of the border. If you increase the number, the border will become thicker. If you decrease it, the border will be thinner. You'll also see a hex code, which is a color value starting with a hashtag. To change the border color, you can search online for a color picker, choose the color you like, copy its hex code, then come back to your editor and replace the existing hex code with your new one. Once you're happy with how the border looks, don't forget to click Save in the top right corner. This will apply your changes to the live theme.